In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply leave in Zoho. We'll walk through the exact clicks to submit a leave request in Zoho People, with a few tips to keep it smooth. Before you start, have your dates ready, know which leave type your policy allows, identify the team email ID to notify, and prepare a short, professional reason. Begin on the Zoho People homepage, sign in and land on your dashboard, where you'll find quick actions. Click the plus sign. This Quick Create button opens shortcuts for common tasks. From the menu, click Leave. You'll be taken to the leave request form where all the details are entered. On the leave form, you'll see fields for leave type, date range, notification email, and your reason. Some fields may be mandatory, and you might see your available balance for certain types. Use that to confirm you have enough days before proceeding. Click the Leave Type field to open the list configured by your HR team. Options often include vacation or earned leave, sick leave, casual leave, or unpaid leave. Select the type that matches your situation so the request routes correctly and can be approved without back and forth. Depending on your setup, you might also see half-day or session options after selecting. Set those only if they apply to your request. Next, click the Date field to choose your schedule. First, click the start date on the calendar, then click the end date. The system will calculate the total based on working days and holidays defined by your organization. For a single day, select the same date for both start and end. If you need a different month, use the arrows to navigate. Take a moment to verify the total days displayed so it aligns with what you intend to take. Click into the Team Email ID field and add the address or distribution list your team uses for absence notifications. This ensures the right people are informed automatically when you submit. If your directory suggests addresses as you type, pick the official group used by your team and avoid personal emails. Click the Reason for Leave field and enter a clear, concise note, something like medical appointment, personal leave, or travel. Add brief context if it helps your approver, such as whether you'll be reachable or who's covering urgent items. Keep it professional and follow any internal guidelines your organization provides. Review everything on the form: leave type, dates, recipients, and reason. When it all looks correct, click Submit. Your request will be sent to the designated approver, and you should see on-screen confirmation with the status marked as submitted or pending. You'll typically get a notification when it's approved or if more information is needed. That's all it takes to create a clean, approver-friendly leave request. If you run into anything unexpected, double-check your leave balance, make sure the selected dates don't overlap with existing approved leave, and confirm that you've used the right leave type for your policy. The same flow generally applies across roles, and the process is similar on desktop and most modern browsers. Thanks for watching. You've just seen how to open the request from the plus sign, pick the correct leave type, set the start and end dates, add the team email ID, provide a solid reason, and submit. Follow these steps each time you plan time off, and your request will move through approval quickly, clearly, and consistently.